What's up, YouTube? I'm going to start off on the fortnightly chart for Bitcoin here. And as you can see, we're still fighting against those three resistance levels, all in a cluster here. That being the 21 EMA, the 100 EMA, and the 0.236 Fibonacci level at a touch below 24K. We initially found resistance here at the start of the fortnight, but it's been bought back up by the bulls. We got down to as low as 22,550. Now, if we can get above this 0.236, the next level would be around 25K before finding some resistance. And we've also got this 50 EMA here at a touch below 28K on the fortnightly chart. So there is definitely a possibility we get one last push up here. Heading over to the weekly chart, we can see that the 50 EMA on the weekly is at around 25K. So that'll be there'll be some resistance there, of course. Also, you've got this 100 EMA here at 28K. So, yep, definite possibility that we could reach up to that level in the month of February. So very, very exciting times for the bulls here. On the 3-day chart, as you can see, 28K with the 200 and the 100 EMA meeting up together here, basically around the same price. So it's definitely going to be a magnet for price action towards 28K. And one thing I have noticed here though, we have got declining volume while we're moving up. So that's something to be wary about. You know, I think 25K is going to be fairly tough resistance only because of this declining volume, and you've also had this stochastic RSI on a 3-day. It's been peaking out for a while now, so this is definitely overdue for a correction. Heading over to the 2-day chart, we have the golden ratio at 26,305. So there's further confluence of upside potential here, and this golden ratio will be a magnet for price action. We've also got the 200 EMA here at a touch below 26K. So yeah, looking very bullish here on the 2-day chart. The only concern I've got is the slightly declining volume and the overbought stochastic RSI. So pretty much same story on the daily chart with the 500 EMA coming close to the golden ratio. So well, on this daily chart you can see that the stochastics actually cooled off quite a bit, so there's room to rally on the daily, even though the 2-day and the 3-day stochastics are overbought. So I would be more inclined to go by this indicator right now. Yeah, so there's definitely potential here for this to swing around and we get one last pump. And the 12-hour chart shows us that, as mentioned quite a bit last week, that this 24K level is very tough resistance at the moment. It's the 0.236 fib on the macro chart, so the fortnightly chart, and at the moment the swing high is 23,960. So we haven't been able to actually get above this key Fibonacci level yet. So will it happen tomorrow? We'll have to see. We have a Bank of England and ECB rate announcement too tomorrow. So keep if they come out more hawkish than the Fed, that'll probably give more fuel to the US dollar for it to decline a bit more. So that would definitely be helping crypto out if the US dollar weakens some more. So 6 hour chart, yeah, as you can see, beautiful bull trend and nothing really here that is telling me that a correction is close. It just looks technically very bullish at the moment. All these EMAs are very bullish. Getting golden crosses here as well. So, and finally to market cap dominance for BTC, we have approached the top of the golden pocket here. So there is a chance that we roll over here, and that would give us some altcoin rallies if that was to eventuate. So yeah, this has been going up since September 2022. We're at a very critical level here, so we might actually get some resistance here. Maybe test his 50 EMA and the 8 MA. If that was to happen, you'd have a bit of a altcoin rally. So very interesting times ahead. Alright, I'll wrap that up for you guys and catch you in the next update.